Agents of the Resistance, listen.
After the white car. Who's going excessively slow? Damn it! Couldn't beat the light. Fuck! Just be so easy to lane split. So much easier. Oh, God. Tons of room. Look at that. Tons of room to lane split. This guy's creeping to my left. And I know they're just trying to get a better view at this fucking camera on the side of my helmet. It's fucking annoying. Way to get the launch, Prius. So I call myself a nomad, and the reason is I move around a lot. I'm currently living in Florida. I've been here for about a year now, and I'm already looking for another place to live. I don't know where I want to go yet. Really depends on work. But when I was a kid, I wouldn't live in places longer than, I think, 6 years at a time. So that kind of put me into like a routine of never staying in one spot. I just don't like living in one spot longer than a couple years. So I usually move like every 2 years. But I just like seeing new scenery. I like being able to live in different places, see how different things work. I mean, a lot of the places are the same, but I mean, there's so many differences about each place I've been. For location, I'll always call San Diego home. San Diego will always be considered a home to me. I'll always consider the Pacific Northwest my family. I built an amazing family up there. Living in Florida is cool. I don't know if I want to move up north. It's kind of why I want to do a nice road trip going up there. See if I can find a place that I might want to stay. I mean, that's kind of like a two-part to the road trip. Just look for more work up there, and do an East Coast road trip at the same time. But yeah, I think it's always cool being able to see something different every couple of years, being able to find a new place to live, new people to meet. I think once I find that perfect spot, I'll probably just upend some roots there and stay. I haven't found it yet.